since as a Flyers sesiwulungiselele lona mdlalo esiyodlala ngeweekend. More in terms of log standing, vele the competition is there, it's tight. Kusula nje kuqaleni. Makabe nje mawabo ithula ama team ukuthi aluze kabili. Ile number 1 ya draw kabili. Ilenye ya draw ka3. Siye nangale magoli vele ma team lawabuka ukuthi ayawashaya amagoli. 2 nala ayiwa concede amagoli. So sihleli phansi nathi sakubuketa lokho umhlane futhi usidlile thina nge-first round. So sikulungiselele lokho lokuthi nathi we want to revenge. So singabonga nje ukuthi sihambe satofika lapho lesigaba lesisikiso nyalo. Lingabe usho kuma supporters banda abayemthethe ngemgcibelo nga2 umdlalo tabuqala. Mina mangisayina la Mthethe Flyers. I-goal yeMthethe Flyers is to take ukuthi siye kuma playoffs this season. So mabanqasha vele banqashela ukuthi mina I must take Mthethe Flyers to my playoffs. So 100% I will fight for that, and I believe kulole ngubona lo ejimini badlali bonke abakalimali baphelele ejimini. Siyabafundisa lokho lesinawo ukuzama ngako kube weapon yethu. So I believe ukuthi bataka apply kahle. So mabaka apply kahle I think isawuphumelela.